Welcome to Bujjibabu Spoken English. Now I am going to explain how to speak good English. How to you learn English easily. This video for new learners or beginning of this stage who are now. English language is very easy language. First of all, concentration of that one, how to frame sentences. I i have uploaded still now more. There are so many videos about tenses and active voice, passive voice, question tags, and there are other videos are also there, vocabulary videos, and now those are more helpful to you. My aim is who are weak in to speak good English, because I am doing so many videos for yourselves to develop your skills. These are more helpful to you. Concentrate first of all sentence formations and learn them according to tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. I uploaded them and concentrate those are. Next, change into the active voice, passive voice. And next one, direct indirect speech. I haven't uploaded that video. I will upload soon that direct indirect speech, and concentrate. Those are daily practice then. And also you concentrate wow words. Wow words means there are so many. Maybe these are wow words. What? First one. Next one, when, why, where. Next one, who, how. Those words are mostly important. These are helpful to you. First of all, concentrate questioning, not answering. If you concentrate questioning, we know we are good listeners. We are good listeners in English, but we can't reply. If we concentrate how to questioning, first of all, you must learn. You must learn sentence formations and try to wow words. What, when, why, according to formulas. First concentrate, learn the table, tenses table. I uploaded this in this my channel. And also learn first of all sentence formations, tenses. Next one, concentrate voice. You can daily just that is a program, that one you conduct that yourselves, that one just a minute jam section, that all tenses speak within a minute, 1 minute. Concentrate that. If you concentrate the words, you will speak better English. Day by day you concentrate. Maybe and concentrate reading books first of all. After learning these, I have uploaded those are videos. Concentrate and daily read books loudly. Next one, speak out. Daily practice speaking. Speak out. Next one is concentrate to watch movies, star movies also, any English movies, watch daily and imitate them who are speaking. Next step is listening the music. If you have, first of all, daily, if you learn English and also speak, not then another one. First of all, speak daily when according to tenses, not others. Next one, create in our own sentences. And also, if you are Telugu people, also translate some Telugu stories into English. If you try them, okay, this is the my best idea, that one. Thank you for watching.